Welcome to Akai Update. My name is Joseph Yaji, and I'm here to solve these EGA questions with you. The question 1 on the board is, could you ring him up? I would rather you dash. Could you ring him up? I would rather you dash. A. Visit him. B. Visited him. C. Would visit him. And option D. Visiting him. What is our answer? If you are in examination hall and you see something like this, what will you choose? Are you going for A? Why? Okay, the answer is not A. I agree with you. Is it B? I don't think so. Is it C? Okay, now, let's assume the answer is B. But why do you go for B? We go for B because the rule states that whenever would rather is used in an expression and is followed by a noun or a pronoun, the next verbal element will be in simple past tense. That is why visited him is the best option. If, however, would rather is not immediately followed by a noun or a pronoun, the next verbal element will be a present plural verb, that is a verb without S. Having said that, I agree with you that the answer to this question is option B. Question 2 is also JAMB standard question, and it will be useful for pre-degree students and SSE students. Now, the question is a conversation between Mr. F and Mr. T. Can I clean this old engine in the sitting room? Can I clean this old engine in the sitting room? Mr. F asked. Then Mr. T said, I would rather dash it in the garage. A. I would rather you cleaned it in the garage. B. I would rather you are cleaning it in the garage. C. I would rather you clean it in the garage. D. I would rather you will clean it in the garage. And E. I would rather didn't clean it in the garage. This question is similar to question 1. Don't forget we have would rather here in an expanded version. Would rather here is in an abridged version or shortened version. And like I said, whenever would rather is followed by a noun or a pronoun, the next verb will be in past tense. So this is you acting in this capacity, and we have a past tense verb here, a simple past tense. So the answer to this question will also be A. Question 3. Her mother said to her, I dash the dinner now. Her mother said to her, I dash the dinner now. A. Would rather you cooked the dinner now. B. Would rather you cook the dinner now. Would rather you not cook the dinner. And D. Would rather you have cooked the dinner. I said, when would rather is used, it will be followed by a simple past tense, not the past participle form, as we have in option D. So the answer would be, would rather you cooked the dinner. So A is correct. Should you have any objection, please let me hear from you in the comment section. On a quicker note, I want to remind you that this tutorial is sponsored by Akai Tutors Ile-Ife. And currently, Akai Tutors is organizing an intensive tutorial for post-UTME and pre-degree candidates. Should you are interested, you can call Akai Tutors Management on 08038644328 for registration and enrollment. Thank you. My name is Joseph Iyaji.